Welcome to day 2 of 365 days of RF. Today we explore the central equation of wave propagation. Lambda equals c over f. Wavelength lambda is inversely proportional to carrier frequency f. As frequency increases, the physical distance between consecutive wave peaks shrinks dramatically. FM radio operating at 100 MHz features a physical wavelength spanning 3 meters. Wi-Fi at 2.4 GHz collapses to 12.5 centimeters. 5G millimeter wave operating at 28 GHz shrinks down to just 1.07 centimeters, while 300 GHz Terahertz signals span less than 1 millimeter. Higher frequencies unlock gigabit throughput but suffer severe atmospheric absorption. Understanding wavelength is essential for designing resonant antenna element lengths.